everybody. Hope you're doing well. It's Unit 35 and it's really easy. Seriously, I say. It's about do this, don't do that. Let's do this. As you can see in the picture, come in. Be careful, don't fall. We use come, look, go, be, and etc. verbs when we tell somebody to do something like come here and look at this. Or I don't want to talk to you. Go away. I'm not ready yet. Please wait for me. Please be quiet. I'm working. Also, you can say have a good holiday. Have a nice time. Have a good flight or have fun. All of this means I hope you have a good holiday. I hope you have a nice time. But when I say have a chocolate, something that we eat after have a chocolate, it means, oh, would you like a chocolate? B. We use don't when we tell somebody not to do something, like be careful, don't fall, please don't go, don't be late. You can say let's when you want people to do things with you. Let is contrast or stands for let us. Like, it's nice day. Let's go out. You and I can go out. Come on, let's dance. You and I can dance. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's have fish for dinner tonight. Shall we go out tonight? No, I'm tired. Let's stay at home. Also, you can say it in negative way. Like, let's not. Let's not go out. Let's not have fish. Okay, here. Guys, in this lesson or unit, we don't want to say pause the video, answer, and continue. We will say it when we are just reading it without any pause because it's all easy, 35.1. Look at the pictures. What are the people saying? Some sentences are positive, like buy, come, and some are negative. Don't buy, don't come. Use these verbs. For example, here, number 1, come in. Number 2, don't drink the water. Number 3, it's too expensive. Don't buy it. Number 4, okay, are you ready? Smile. Number 5, don't sit on the cat. Number 6, bye. Have a nice time. Number 7, don't forget to phone me. Don't worry, I won't. Number 8, I'm going to bed now. Okay, sleep well. Be careful with that waist. Don't drop it. Okay, now next. It's complete the sentences. Use let's with. Like, would you like to play tennis? No. Let's go for a swim. Do you want to walk home? No, let's take a taxi. Shall I put a CD on? No, let's watch a TV. Shall we eat at home? No, let's go to a restaurant. Would you like to go now? No, let's wait a little. 35.3. Answer with no, don't, or no, let's not. Shall I? Guys, here we have I. Shall I wait for you? No, don't wait for me. But here we have we. Wait, I should use another thing such as draw. Okay, here we have I. Here we have we. When we have we should say let's. Okay, shall we go home now? Here, should let's not, so we say no, let's not go home. Shall we go out? No, let's not go out. Do you want me to close the window? No, don't close the window. We have you. Shall I phone you? No, actually, don't phone me. Or do you think we should wait for Andy? Yes, let's. No, it's better to say, no, let's not wait for him. Do you want me to turn on the lights? No, don't do this. Or shall we go by bus? Yes, please let's go by a bus. Or no, let's not. It depends on you, but because here you should use let's not or something like this. Thank you guys for watching this unit. Sorry if I was just uh you know depressed, but hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, ask me. Bye.